Yeah, welcome to speedearning.com. We are going to discuss the technical indicators in today's lecture. AD. AD means accumulation and distribution. Accumulation shows the buying in particular commodity or particular stock. And distribution means selling. Means all the traders or investors are selling in that scrap or commodity. So accumulation distribution is indicator, momentum indicator to gauge supply and demand by identify the stock price and volume flow. So there is a close location value which is very important. Close location value, that is a term which is used for this indicator. So how is it calculated? CLV is equal to C minus L, close minus low, minus high minus close, upon high minus low. A little bit confused? Don't worry. You need not to focus on that. You just understand the interpretation of that particular indicator, because there are so many websites or there are so many sources online which will calculate the value of AD for you, but you need to interpret that value in right manner at right time. So if the stock closes at high, there is a scale in AD. So top is 1, middle is 0 and bottom is -1. So suppose any stock is closing at high, then value will be +1. If it is closing on middle, means pivot level or ATP, average trade price, so pivot level, it will be 0, and if it is closing at low, then it will be -1. Now if it is closing between high and pivot level, then it will be plus 0.5, 0.6, 0.3, maybe anything. If it is closing between middle point and low point, then it is minus 0.5, minus 0.6, or anything between that range. So what it denotes? Actually it denotes you that if the accumulation is strong, then there will be new highs, new reaction highs. Means any scrap is making the high, then going down and coming again to break the high again. So there are new highs in that period. So there are new reaction highs every time. So if this trend sustains less than 2 weeks, then the trend will be considered young trend. And if this is a multi-month trend, then it will remain. So we can behave accordingly. If you are an investor, so you can go into the thing which is showing more accumulation. And if you are an investor and if you want to book some profit, so if there is a growing distribution, you can exit partially or fully. So you can sell your holdings there. And if you are a trader, so you can take the direction according to that. Means if accumulation is growing, then we are in buying side. We are just checking if any stocks or commodities coming in lower side and it is trying to go up again, then we shall buy in the bottoms. We are ready to buy. So we are just waiting for a dip and then buying again. And if there are more distribution, if there is more selling trend, then what would we do? We shall wait for a sudden jump and then we shall sell from there. On every jump we are selling because we assume that there will be new reaction lows. So in this way you can use accumulation distribution AD indicator. So I suppose that you understood this indicator well. If you are having any problem, you just call us. We shall explain with the example. Actually there is some limitation of video tutorial, so actual real training will help you for the remaining part. Thank you very much. Bye. Good night.